Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Carlianna counter height stools by Winston Porter. I found these on Wayfair.com. This is the height of my counter. The counter stool seat is 25 inches from the floor. If your counter is higher than this, you will need the bar height stools, which are 29 inches from the floor. I am working on furnishing my apartment. What I really wanted is a dining table and chairs. Since I'm on a budget and cannot get the dining tables and chairs now, I decided to get these really nice counter stools. They were on sale, two for $153.99 at the time. This will do until I can get my table and chairs. Do not get discouraged when starting your life over. Enjoy where you are. Every moment is precious. I don't take these times for granted, but rather enjoying small beginnings. God says in His Word that if we are good stewards over small things, He will make us rulers over many things. The stools were easy to assemble. Look at the instructions to get familiar with each step. The back of the stools are already put together. Find the long bolts with the blue paint and the matching washers, and put those in the pre-drilled holes in the back of the seat connecting to the back of the chair. Use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. Take the side stretchers and place them in the back legs. The best way to help me remember which way the stretchers go on is by facing the labels toward me. When you stand the completed chair up, the labels should face the floor. Next, get the front legs and place them in position, connecting them to the side stretchers. Add the front stretcher to the front legs. Don't screw the stretchers in until you have bolted the front legs to the seat using the bolts and washers shown. Use a Phillips screwdriver to connect the side and front stretchers with the wood screws provided. There are pre-drilled holes that are slightly angled for the wood screws. Do not use a power drill for this project because it could cause the wood to crack and damage the frame. I found this nifty tool on clearance at Walmart. I don't remember the name of this tool. If you know, drop a comment and let me know what it is. Anyway, I used it to tighten all of the bolts securely. Don't overdo it because it could still damage the wood if you make it too tight. The stools look great and I've been using them every day. Tell me what you think. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, God knows the plans He has for you, plans of good and not evil, to give you a hope and a future. See you in my next video.